Firewalls are your first line of defense in any system, and when it comes to Linux, one tool has stood the test of time: iptables. Whether you're trying to secure a server, lock down a home lab, or simply understand how traffic flows in and out of your system, mastering iptables is a must. It's not just a command, it's a superpower for any Linux user. Hey friends, welcome to the channel. My name is Ahmed Piran, and this is your spot for diving deep into tech. In this video, we are going beyond the basics. I'll show you how iptables works, why it still matters today, and how to use it effectively. From the fundamentals to real-world use cases, I'll guide you step by step so you can build your own firewall rules with confidence. What exactly is iptables? At its core, iptables is a powerful command line utility built into Linux that lets you define how your system handles network traffic. Think of it as a traffic cop for your Linux machine. It decides who can enter or leave your system and what gets blocked entirely. iptables has been part of Linux for a long time. It was introduced as part of the Netfilter project and integrated into the kernel starting with version 2.4 back in 2001. You might have heard of tools like UFW or firewalld. They actually simplify iptables with easier interfaces. And yes, nftables is the modern replacement. But here's the kicker. iptables is still everywhere, from legacy production servers to cloud instances, and even in some DevOps automation scripts, it's still heavily used. If you want to be job ready, you've got to know it. Let's talk about Netfilter because it's key to understanding iptables. Netfilter actually has two meanings. First, it is the name of the overall project that includes tools like iptables and nftables. And second, it refers to the Linux kernel framework that allows traffic filtering and manipulation. Think of Netfilter framework as the security system of a building. It has doors, checkpoints, surveillance, but it doesn't make any decision. iptables, on the other hand, is the security guard using that system. Let this packet through, block that one, or send this traffic to another interface. So we can say Netfilter is the engine and iptables is the interface you use to drive it. You might ask, why should you learn iptables even though it's technically been replaced by nftables? But here's the thing. iptables might be old, but it's far from obsolete. In fact, it's still deeply embedded in the real world. Many systems, especially older servers and cloud environments, are still running iptables today. If you jump into a job or project and only know nftables, you could find yourself stuck. Learning iptables gives you a deep, low-level understanding of packet filtering. Once you get that, transitioning to newer tools like nftables is easy. It's like learning manual before driving automatic. You gain a deeper feel for how everything fits together. When firewalld or UFW fails, or when you need to debug weird networking issues, it's often iptables that gives you the insight to fix it. If you're aiming for certifications like RHCE, LPIC, or preparing for DevOps SRE interviews, iptables is still a common topic. It's a skill that shows you understand Linux networking beyond the surface level. So yeah, nftables is the future, but iptables is the present. And mastering it today gives you more control, more confidence, and more flexibility across all kinds of Linux environments. Well, that's it for this section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.